Hello everyone, I am Yuan, successor of League of Nations that was formed on 10th of January 1920. It was formed to prevent Second World War, but as we all know that Second World War broke out. So in this context, UN was formed on 24th of October 1945. It was formed after several meetings between different countries. My main purpose of establishment was to prevent war and if war broke out, to limit the hostilities. As we all know that social and economic constraints are present everywhere and these are the result of the conflict between different countries. In order to limit these conflicts, difficulties, I have bring together all the countries of the nation and make them my member to limit and to improve the disparities between different countries. I started organizations and several of them have been present here and they are WHO, World Bank, UNSC and several others.
So have a look on this class, the members of UN, the principal organizations and the major principal organizations of the UN. These are sitting together and they are just ready to perform. They are ready to educate their duty, their role in the world, peace, stability and prosperity.
Hello guys, I am WHO. WHO was established in 7 April 1948 and the founder countries of WHO was US, UK, Germany, France, Philippines, Canada, Australia, etc. And its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. At the time of COVID period, WHO attainment by the people of the highest possible level of the health. And World Health Organization was also responsible for international protection.
Hi, I am UNSC. I have 5 permanent and 10 non-permanent members. My function is to establish peace, security and security. I also appoint the judges of General Secretary and on the discussion of General Assembly. My function is to settle dispute among countries and I take military actions if required and stop aggression by imposing economic sanctions.
Hello everyone, India is going to play the role of IAEA, which stands for International Atomic Energy Agency. It was established on 29 July 1957. Its headquarters is in Vienna, Austria. My main concern is to promote the peaceful use of nuclear energy and to inhibit its use for military purposes. I am interested to uphold the principles of nuclear non-proliferation.
Hello, I am South America. I am very much proud of being world's fourth largest continent. I hold 5.53% world's total population in terms of money. I have economy of $3.32 trillion, which is 3.43% of world total GDP. Brazil is one of the many emerging economies in the world. It has highest capacity of producing coffee in the world. Amazon river basin and forest give 20% fresh air to the world. Most of the South American countries are maintaining peace and stability in the world. Latin American have population of approximately 550 million. South American is treasury of gold and silver and nitrate. Is very big showcase cultural diversity. Scenario is final for Earth Summit in 1992. But I am unhappy our inadequate representation in UN, its Security Council, hoping for representation. Thank you.
Hello, I am Security Council. Security Council is a part of United Nations. It promotes peace and unity. It was founded in 1945. It has 5 permanent members: UK, USA, China, France, Russia. It appoints judges to International Court of Justice.
influence on the economic policy of the developing country, and I criticize for the setting of economic agenda of UN nation.
नमस्कार, आज मैं भारत का प्रतिनिधित्व करते हुए यहाँ प्रस्तुत हूँ। भारत की जनसंख्या 140 करोड़ है। यहाँ पे हर तरीके के धर्म, संप्रदाय और विभिन्न जाति यहाँ निवास करती है। हमारा देश एक सेकुलर नेशन है। भारत ने संयुक्त राष्ट्र को पूर्ण निर्माण में बहुत तरीकों से मदद की है। भारत ने परमानेंट मेंबर और नॉन परमानेंट मेंबर दोनों को बढ़ावा देने में सपोर्ट किया है। हमें हमेशा संतोषजनक योगदान किया है यूएन बजट में। भारत सामर्थ्य है सैन्य बल और आर्थिक बल में। भारत एक ऐसा देश है जो डेमोक्रेसी और ह्यूमन राइट दोनों को रिस्पेक्ट देता है। माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय से मेरा यह प्रश्न है कि हम लोग कोरोना से निपटने का संघर्ष कर रहे हैं। वैश्विक महामारी के संघर्षों में संयुक्त राष्ट्र कहाँ है? एक प्रभावशाली रिस्पांस कहाँ है? भारत एक उतनी बड़ी सच्चाई है कि इतने सालों से चल रहे संयुक्त राष्ट्र में रिफॉर्म अंडर प्रोसेस है। आखिर भारत की जनता चिंतित है कि भारत को डिसीजन मेकिंग प्रोसेस से अभी तक क्यों दूर रखा गया है, और ये रिफॉर्म चल रहे हैं वो एक लॉजिकल एंड पे कब पहुंचेंगे। विश्व के सबसे बड़े वैक्सीन उत्पादक देश पर आज मैं समुदाय को एक आश्वासन देना चाहता हूँ कि भारत एक वैक्सीन प्रोडक्शन और वैक्सीन डिलीवरी में जनता को इस संकट से निकालने का काम है। मैं अध्यक्ष महोदय से यह भी प्रश्न करना चाहूँगा कि संयुक्त राष्ट्र को इसलिए बनाया गया है कि वो दुनिया में पीस और सिक्योरिटी बनाए रखे। जो तनाव और युद्ध चल रहे हैं तो इस वक्त संयुक्त राष्ट्र क्या कर रहा है, उनकी क्या राय है। और इधर साउथ ईस्ट एशिया में चाइना और ताइवान में जो चल रहा युद्ध है वहाँ पर भी संयुक्त राष्ट्र चुप क्यों है?
Chairperson, the Honorable UN Secretary is here, and my question from the world media is to what is the stand of UN Security Council, what is the stand of IMF, what is stand of the IAEA to maintain peace, stability and cooperation so that the main objective of the UN Foundation could be catered.
So let's start with IAEA. It is an organization that is to prevent the use of nuclear power for war. So in this context, IAEA and several other delegates have came together and listed several places. We can take incidents of Iran, where several delegates have gone and they have taken consideration of what are nuclear weapons that are being produced there.
What you have done for clash between powerful countries and under-developed countries?
So the UN have done several measures, such as if the instances between them it is regional, then my jurisdiction is not in this, but it is international. Then several commissions have been founded in this context.
Enforcement of borders.
So a commission was sent in the same context when Pakistan has asked the question of Kashmir issue, raised the question of Kashmir issue in UN. Then a commission was sent there, and it came and gave result that it was a regional dispute. So several like commissions have been set up and sent there.